Alright, this is my 2020 Ford EcoSport. This is my K&N filter I'm putting in. I'm going to show you the part number. This is the part number if you guys want to get it for their 2020 Ford EcoSport. And I'm going to show you how to remove. There's two clips. I got two side clips here. This one and this one. And I just kind of snake it around, pull it up. That's what the stock filter looks like. Don't know why it's pink. Maybe supporting breast cancer. I got about 4,000 miles on it. It's not bad. Alright, this is the new filter. This is a 1,000,000-mile warranty. I do that on all the cars, just because I'm getting tired of changing out air filters. Plus, in the long run, honestly, like you get these for like 55 bucks shipped. And you figure you go buy a OEM one running you like 10, 15 bucks. And this is the new filter. So there is a little bit of a difference. You can see the difference here. It's gonna kick my ass. So this is the new filter. This is the old filter. See the difference? Don't know how much more horsepower it'll give you, but it should be pretty proper. You just drop it in like that. Done. And just push it back down. Snap and snap, and that's it. So, appreciate you watching Team Import Killer. And please subscribe. This little knick-knack stuff I'll do. We do racing and little minor car repairs, so feel free to check out the channel. Please subscribe, and you guys have a good day.